Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm starting out my spring cleaning series. So we are going to be starting with the fridge. And if you like videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe and comment down below some more videos that you would like to see. Alright, you guys, so I'm starting at the top of the refrigerator. Like, it's so much mail up here, a taser, fingernail clippers. Like, it's just too much stuff that's up here. And I was like, honey. Alright, just to let you guys know, there's nobody holding my camera. It is moving by itself. But what I did was like lay everything out out of the refrigerator just so I can see what is good and what is not good and what I should throw away and what I should keep. I also thought that it was recording me cleaning out the refrigerator, but it wasn't. So this is what I ended up with, and I'm going to be showing you how I'm cleaning out the freezer. Alright, so this is it for this video. I'm sorry that it was so short, but thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and watch our other videos that's linked.